is Dr. Eileen Han. I am Doctor of Oriental Medicine. I'm working at Essential Health Acupuncture, and this is a special recipe from my father. This is not my mother this time, my father. He loved this special noodles. It's made with the cilantro and shredded pork. But today I have a special request from the audience at the YouTube. If they want me to make vegetarian, so I will make two of this. One is vegetarian and one is for the meat eater. Only two ingredients, very simple. Cilantro, love it. Oh, smells so good. And the bean curd. I already cut them to small pieces. And green onion. My green onion from my backyard. Love it. We also need to use a little bit of this cornstarch. We're gonna use the cornstarch to make the sauce thicker. And of course, I'm a Chinese, can never get away from soy sauce. Yes, you got it. And also olive oil. So this is a very simple one because I also get requests not only for vegetarian, they also want to be simple. So now, this is a simple, quick and easy way to make this wonderful cilantro noodles. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so the cilantro, you wash them, you clean them, and you just cut them in the small pieces. And we are not cooking this, okay? So we're gonna cut it in the small pieces, like this. I washed them already, and I have my little toy. It's a salad spinner, and I spin it, and then you make sure that you look a little tiny small one, and make sure they look pretty. You want to have a little bit more because after we cook this bean curd, we're gonna pour it on top of this. Then you will know, and all the cilantro shrink it to very small. So I am gonna put extra double cilantro. Usually when you purchase around the supermarket, they give you a bundle of it, right? And then that is how much did I put it in there. Very fluffy. So this is the one. I'm gonna heat up the pot. Again, I told you already, I am real Asian. Olive oil. And then you need to have the nice, beautiful scent. Oh my goodness, so wonderful. And now we're gonna put the bean curd, just slice the bean curd in. So this particular one, I replace the meat, the shredded pork, with the bean curd. Many of my friends told me bean curd has no taste. I disagree with them. So now I'm gonna put some cornstarch with water and a lot of soy sauce. This will be our sauce pouring. And this is how we do it. Since the bean curd is already cooked, so you don't really have to cook until they are really too long. And you can see it's already being sticky now because the cornstarch. And this need to be very salty. The reason it needs to be very salty because we are going to put it over the noodles. That's why it's necessary to taste a little bit salty. So now I'm gonna put a little bit more soy sauce in here and wait until we have another boiling. Then I will just pour it over the cilantro. Of course, presentation is very important, so we make it really beautifully here. Now we're going to put all the sauce on top of it. Ooh, look at that. It's such a beautiful. This is the sauce. You will have this pour on the noodles, which we already have the noodles on the side. the vegetarian cilantro with bean curd. You will scoop it and put it on top of the noodles. Boiling water, same thing, 3 person. My sister Eileen, Sheng, and I, 3 of us going to eat together tonight. This is second boiling already, which you guys already know how I do this. And water. Now we're ready for dinner. Yay! Alright, let's get you a good portion. Hi guys, this is the portion that I'm cooking the cilantro sauce with the shredded pork. This is a pork tenderloin, and you can see it's very nice. And then I'm putting in the cornstarch, and I'm using soy sauce to marinate it a little bit. Usually we want to make it a little bit salty because we're gonna put it onto the noodle, so make it taste a little bit better and strong. Of course, we're gonna put it in lots of oil, and you put it in the onions. So primarily, this is just shredded pork, cilantro that I have here, and green onions. Such a beautiful, beautiful. Now, I'm gonna make it stir fry this a little bit to make sure it cooks. Now I will put in more soy sauce. The reason why I put it before I put in the water, because I want the soy sauce being cooked so it doesn't taste a little raw. That's why I make soy sauce taste really, really good. Smell the scent. Oh, it smells so good. Now I'm gonna put it into water to make more sauce. So when we put it on the noodles, we will be able to have more sauce to share. Now it's ready. Let's put the pork on it. Look, beautifully done. Oh my goodness. One more. So nobody would know there is a cilantro at the bottom of the bowl. So people were just like, yeah, it's just a shredded pork with some green onions. But they did not know there's a lot more information and stuff at the bottom. So now you can see that's how you look like. So when we serve, oh, it's so wonderful. You can see the cilantro's in there. Look at that. It's so good. And more. One more. And now you can put a little more sauce for him. That will be his dinner for tonight. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye. I love this. This is great. Yay!